My business partner, Timmy Fairfield, and I started Futurist Climbing to create a company that not only provided high-quality products, but also top-notch service. We do climbing industry consulting, flooring, and wall design. We originally measured with tape measure and squares and a handheld laser, and then purchased the disto to be able to pattern our floors so that we could manufacture off-site and have faster installs. So about a year ago, I started looking into 3D scanners and kind of stopped looking at price point of $50,000 as a start. And then a designer, a friend of ours, said, "Hey, have you seen this?" The uses are wide and varied. The first is to simply scan a space, get it ready for a flooring system, and then take that and create the drawings to manufacture. Second is to look at, from a designing perspective, look at a blank building and help our clients design a wall that fits their building, or take an existing gym and help them remodel it. Right now, any measurement, even with the 3D disto, I have to go travel with it and do the measurement myself, where the BLK we would take and just send and have them scan it themselves and send it back. Improved accuracy in manufacturing has allowed Futurist Climbing to create the fastest installs with the most consistent performance in the industry. And the 3D distos help us do that by putting us out ahead of our competitors. And the BLK 360 could do the same.